To create a wallet using Phantom Wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the Add to Browser button. Then select your browser and follow the prompts to install the Phantom extension. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. Then enter a strong and unique password and click Create Wallet. Phantom will then generate a recovery phrase, which is used to restore your wallet in case you forget your password or lose access to your device. Write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place, as anyone with access to this phrase can control your wallet and funds. After securing your recovery phrase, you will be asked to verify it by selecting the words in the correct order. This is an important step to ensure the recovery phrase is written down correctly. Once you have verified your recovery phrase, your wallet will be created and you can start using it to send, receive, and store Solana and other supported tokens. It is essential to keep your password and recovery phrase safe, as they are the keys to accessing your funds, and to never share them with anyone. By following these steps, you can create a secure and functional Phantom wallet, and start exploring the world of Solana and other supported blockchain ecosystems. Remember to always be cautious when interacting with cryptocurrency and to only use trusted and reputable sources, such as the official Phantom website, to ensure your safety and security. With your new Phantom wallet, you can now start sending and receiving cryptocurrency, as well as interacting with various decentralized applications and protocols on the Solana network. It is also important to note that you should always keep your wallet and browser up to date, as updates often include security patches and new features that can help protect your funds and improve your overall experience. By keeping your wallet secure and up to date, you can help ensure the safety of your funds and have a positive experience using Phantom Wallet and the Solana ecosystem.